First, we have to make solution by factorization. Look, 2x square minus 5x minus 3. This x square coefficient is 2 and 3 is a constant. So 2 times 3, it means 6. So this 6 we have to make minus 5. How? Look, 6 times 1, it means 6. Similar thing, minus 6 plus 1, it will become minus 5. So we can write 2x square minus 6x plus 1 minus 3 equals to 0. Right? Now we can take common 2 from 2 and 6. 2, so here is x square minus 3x. Right? It's not right. Why? Because here is x square and here is x. So we can write like 2x, here is x minus 3 plus 1, here is again x minus 3 equals to 0. So we can take common x minus 3. So here is 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So either x minus 3 equals to 0, it means x equals to 3, or 2x plus 1 equals to 0, or 2x equals to minus 1. Once we divide both sides by 2, it will be x equals to minus 1 by 2. Right? So done. So our answer is x equals to minus 1 by 2 or 3. Okay. Next, here is 2x square minus 5x minus 3 equals to 0. This one we have to use quadratic general formula. We know ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a. Here a equals to what? A means 2, b equals to, here is minus 5, and c equals to minus 3. Right? So we can implement in here. Minus b means here is minus 5, sorry, here is minus 5. So minus and minus, b means minus 5, then plus minus root over b square means 5 minus 5 square minus 4a, a means 2 times c means minus 3. Right? Divide 2a, 2 times 2. So minus and minus plus, it will be 5 plus minus root over, here is minus 5 square, it means 25, minus and minus plus 4 times 2 8, 8 times 3, it will be 24, divide 4. So 5 plus minus 25 plus 24, it will be 49. So 4. So here is 5 plus minus root 49, it will be 7, divide 4. So x equals to 5 plus 7 divide 4, it means 12 divide 4, the answer is 3. Or x equals to 5 minus 7 divide 4, 5 minus 7, it will be minus 2 divide 4, the answer is minus 1 by 2. Look, here is also same thing, either 3 or minus 1 by 2. So we already solved this method, solved this equation by 3 method in 2 videos. These videos we are trying to solve factorization and quadratic general formula, and last video we are trying to solve by completing the square method. So it will be good if I can make this one in same video, but video will be large and you will face complex. So 2 videos, 3 method. Thank you very much being with me. Try to solve these kinds of method many and many at home, and if you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel, which is Home of Math, and don't forget share with others. Thank you.